This one's from Grammy and Gramps in Ontario. Hello, boy.
Good boy, Daddy. Rip it.
You gotta rip it.
Rip it, Daddy. Pull it.
Here. There you go.
Wow.
Holy moly.
Oh, I want one of these.
I think somebody's got something to play with in a bit.
Wow. What is it?
Look, here. You gotta rip it. That's it. That's it.
Awesome.
Play, little cat. Run, little dog.
What's this? It's a nose. It's cute. It's a computer, eh? It's got like a little nose.
Hello.
It's so cute. I think their other noise-making toys were getting old. It'd be nice to have some new noises in the house.
Yeah.
Say thank you.